video. Hey everyone, so it's me, Jamaya, in this video by my lonesome self. It's just me today. Wait, what? Hey everyone, let me just move the, yeah. Okay, so it's just me today. I'm the Jamaya and Maya. Jamaya's not here today because I'm filming this hair tutorial for this jumbo braid. It's really simple and beginner friendly because literally I learned how to do it yesterday, and I just thought that I should show you guys how to do it too, because it looks like it's difficult, but I'm telling you it's really not, and it also doesn't cost a lot to do this. This is definitely for beginners because I myself am a beginner, so I'm not saying in anything in this video this is the way you have to do it to look nice, because I just learned how to do it. This is my second time doing this now because I just learned how to do it yesterday, and I was like, wow, I should really teach other people how to do this. So yeah, if you want to know how I do this style, just keep on watching the video. And this is the trick to getting into the tiniest possible bun or ponytail, because if you do one of those, I don't know, if you do one of those buns where you slip the scrunchie, the same scrunchie you use for the ponytail over the bun, it can make the bun too big. But if you do it separately like this and wrap the hair on, it tends to make a smaller bun. Brush down. Hey guys, so since I did this yesterday, mine is kind of in a certain way. It's sectioned already because I already did the braids, and it just, the hair basically looks like this. If you buy the exact same pack as me, it comes with a little rubber band in the middle. If you get hair and it doesn't come with this, all you need to do is take a scrunchie, just a regular scrunchie like this, find the middle of the hair where there's two equal parts at the each side, you know, and you're going to just do a slip knot. So you take this scrunchie and you basically go like this, put one side of the scrunchie, I can't speak, put one side of the scrunchie over here and put the other over here, and put one under the other, like loop one under the other and tie so tight, so it's like that. And this is what you'll be putting on top of your bun. And if I didn't say this before, make sure that your bun is small. Your bun has to be small because the hair has to cover it. Now we're going to attach the hair to the bun. So all you do is just put that slip knot that you just made with the scrunchie or rubber band, you put that over your bun. I mean, if you can do it twice, you should do it twice, but I'm not going to. So what you're going to do is you will need to attach it on the side that is away from the side you want the braid to fall. So I think that the braid's gonna look better on this side because we're just like, this is my good side, I guess. So I'm putting the braid to my left side. Probably in the camera, it might be the right, but I'm not sure. So I attached it on my right side. That kind of belongs with the middle, I think. A very loose braid, because remember, it has to be a jumbo braid and the top part has to be able to cover the bun. To loosen up the top part of the braid so that you can flip, go ahead and flip this braid over your bun. I know that looked kind of weird how I did it. So now, after you flip that hair over the bun, you're just going to pin it in place so it doesn't move, using 1 or 2 pins, or 3, 4, however many you think you need and make this braid jumbo. Okay, and now I'm gonna put hair jewels in it. So I have this string. This is hair gold string, whatever. Make sure it's even. So I'm evening it out at the bottom. Now what I'm going to do is wrap it on the top of the bun and go under like this and start from over and under and make it sit in one of the braid things, if that makes sense, and just skip a few of the braid rows. I can't speak today. Skip a few of the braid rows and then do it again, if this makes sense. It's just being put into the braid. Right there. Okay, so this is how it looks right now, and then you could of course add gold clips, which I don't have, so I'm not going to do that. So now I'm going to take off this scarf, and I don't know how to put it on. Okay. So of course for my hair, it doesn't, the texture I guess doesn't necessarily match that well. So you try to make it look like it does. Make sure to get your right color. Like with the lighting, you can kind of tell that this isn't my exact color. I don't know if anyone wants to help me learn how to do edges better. Because even YouTube videos I watch, I love watching YouTube videos like this and stuff. But those edge videos don't even help me. When style is done, all you need is earrings. And
To meet me on the east side, in the city with the sun on set. And every day you know that we ride through the back streets of a blue Corvette. Baby, you know I...
So I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and subscribe. Wait, what? I said that totally wrong. Jeez, one more time. This is why I need Jamaya. Okay guys, so thanks for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below any video suggestions you have for myself or Jamaya. And subscribe to become part of the hashtag Jam Fam. And subscribe to our vlog channel where you'll probably see me with this hairstyle. I'll do more hair videos. I really like these hair videos and they help me because thanks for watching. Bye.
The dash is digi, the schedule busy. My head in a hoodie, my shorty a goodie. My cousins are crazy, my cousins like boogie. Life is amazing, it is what it should be.